Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making I don't really know if it's like a kielbasa spaghetti kielbasa situation, but it's really easy. It's delicious. This is one of Gabe's favorite things to eat, and when I make it for him, I just cut up the pasta really thin. The same thing with the kielbasa and whatever veggies I add in, and he absolutely loves it. He literally will eat like an entire little bowl of it and want more. So I've been making this quite often for him, and I wanted to share it with you just because it's delicious. I eat it, my family eats it, he loves it. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep on watching.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and